Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English online class. So how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home. That's nice. So students, today I am here to give you summer vacation homework in English. Okay, so this is a book, means in your syllabus student there is a book, and the name of this book is Stop That Fun Activities for Holidays. Okay, let's open this book and have summer vacation homework in English. Okay, so this is the first page of this book students, and written here holidays homework for kids part 1 mean English. So here you have to write your name, standard means class, and division means section, roll number. If you know the roll number then write, if you don't know so leave it. Okay, school Maria School Jaspur. Done? Good. Now turn on the page. Okay, contents. So this is this contents only in English. Okay, ये English के लिए है बच्चों. So in English how many chapters we have? 1 to 34. Okay, 1 to 34. And in the summer vacation you have to do from chapter 1 to 21. Okay, means page number 3 to 23. Done? Very good. So let's have a look our first chapter, writing practice. So students, this is for your writing. So you have to write here in neat and clean writing. Okay, and chapter 5. Okay, up to chapter 5 writing practice is given. So in this page students, means page number 7 or chapter 5, you have to write here about yourself, your name, your birthday, your best friend name, your favorite fruit, your favorite game, your favorite color. Okay, good. Now and in this book students, you have to write in neat and clean writing. Again and again I am saying neat and clean writing should be written. Okay, so now turn on the page. Okay, chapter 6, colors. So color each picture and circle the correct answer. So strawberry is pink, blue or red. So this is your homework that you have to write here. Okay, the correct one answer. Okay, now chapter 7. Unscramble the letters of the words that tell us how animals move. Then fill in the blanks. So unscramble means होता है बच्चों ये गलत तरीके से लिखे हुए हैं, तो आपको इन्हें सही मीन्स मीनिंगफुल वर्ड में करके यहाँ पर लिखना है ब्लैंक में. ओके, नाउ टर्न ऑन द पेज. सो पेज नंबर chapter 8, fruits. So here students, in the given blanks you have to write the names of the fruits. Okay, in chapter 9 write the following animals in alphabetical order. So here some animals names are given and you have to write in the blanks in alphabetical order. In English first we did the exercise, so I hope you have learnt this. Okay, so do yourself. Okay, chapter 10, word fun. So write a word that rhymes with the clues and complete the crossword puzzle. Okay, across means students you have to write here the rhyming word of the given word. Okay, means in first one what is written? Pit. So across का मतलब होता है ये इस तरीके से, और डाउन मीन्स ऊपर से नीचे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन में क्या है? पिट, और अक्रॉस में आपको यहाँ लिखना है, और एच इज रिटन, एच पहले से लिखा हुआ है. तो आप पिट का राइमिंग वर्ड आप सोचिए जो एच से स्टार्ट होता हो. वेरी गुड, हिट. ओके, पिट अक्रॉस में हमने क्या किया बच्चों? हिट. और यहाँ डाउन में हमें है गिवन टॉप, तो इसका राइमिंग वर्ड हमें ढूंढना है जो एच से स्टार्ट होता है, तो हमने लिखा है या होप. ओके, so like this students you have to do. Okay, one example I have done for you. Okay, now move to chapter 11, more than one. So draw a line to match these words to their plurals. So what you have to do? You have to match the singular noun to the plural noun. Okay, fox, and the plural of this noun, foxes. Here So don't draw a line, students. Here what is written? 1, and the plural of this noun is foxes. So write here 1. Okay, like this you have to do. Don't draw a line, otherwise it will look dirty. Okay, now one example I have done for you. Now turn on the page. Okay, chapter 12, opposites. So write the opposites of the following words. And what is the meaning of opposite? Yes, I know, you should know the meaning of this. आपको इसका मतलब पता है ना? Yes, very good. Opposite का मतलब होता है उल्टा. क्या होता है बच्चों? उल्टा. Like down. And the opposite of down? Up. Very good. Second one, come. And the opposite of come? Go. Good. So write here. Okay, student, this is our chapter 13, similar words. From the book, choose a similar word for each word below. So in this exercise, students, what you have to do? First one is given quiet. And the meaning of quiet is keep silent. Okay, मैं बोलती हूँ ना आपको क्लास में keep quiet, be silent. हाँ, so आपको इसके जो इसके मीनिंग जो इसका सेम मीनिंग वाला इसमें से जो ऑप्शंस आपको दिए हैं उसमें से आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन आई विल डू. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट वन आई हैव डन फॉर यू. द मीनिंग ऑफ क्वाइट इज बी साइलेंट, और ओके शांत रहना, एंड साइलेंट इज सेम. सो बोथ वर्ड्स मीनिंग आर सेम. ओके, नाउ टर्न ऑन द पेज. Okay, students, this is chapter 14, compound words. So write the correct compound word in each space. So this is very easy. In this exercise, what we have to do? We have to add these two words. Okay, here plus is here, basket plus ball. So we have to add both the words. Means हमको इन्हें पास पास लिखना है, like basket, ball. ये अलग अलग लिखा हुआ है ना, बास्केट अलग है, बॉल अलग है, तो हम कंपाउंड वर्ड बनाएंगे इसको और हम इसको एक ही साथ लिखेंगे. तो ये हो जाएगा बच्चों, एक अलग ही वर्ड हो जाएगा. और क्या हो जाएगा वो? बास्केट बॉल. ओके, सो डन, वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर 15, साउंड लाइक्स. So fill in each blank with the correct word from the box. So in the box, student, means from the options, we have to find out the correct word, means according to the given sentence, and then we have to write the correct answer in the blank. Like first one, a blank can buzz. तो कौन buzz? Means whose sound is buzzing? Buzz कौन करता है? किसकी sound होती है बच्चों? ये B की. So where is written B? Here. So let's write B. So like this, students, you have to find out the correct word and then fill the blanks. Okay, now next one. Next chapter is people at work. So draw a line to match the correct description to each job. Means students, here we have to match the correct description to each job. Okay, first one, a person who works in a library, and he is called, very good, a librarian. So match 1 to librarian, and student don't match because when you match, so it will look dirty. Write here 1 like this. Okay, so like this you have to read the sentence, then you have to match. Chapter 17, more compound words. So write the correct compound words in the space provided. So this is also, students, very easy, do yourself. Okay, in chapter 15 we did this work. Okay, so like this you have to do this. So chapter 18, animal sound. So draw a line to match each animal to the sound it makes. Okay, so here is, students, the pictures of the animals given, and we have to match to the sound of the given animal. Like bee, and the sound of bee is, very good, buzz. Okay, means it makes a sound, buzz. So here, students, you can do like this. Okay, and the exercise do yourself, and after writing, students, learn properly. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, now chapter 19, young ones of animals. So draw a line to match each animal with its young. So students, this is very easy. So animal's name given in this side, and we have to match the animal, means each animal with its young one. So the young one of dog is called, क्या कहते हैं बच्चों, डॉग के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं, यंग वन को? वेरी गुड, पपी. ओके, सो राइट हियर वन. So like this you have to do. Okay, now turn on the page. Okay, page chapter 20, food. Complete the name of each fruit. So this is very easy and interesting. So do yourself, students, and then B, read the clues and write the answers to complete the crossword puzzle. So across means we have to read the given sentence properly, then write the correct answer. First one, made from milk and rhymes with please. Okay, means milk से ये बनता है और rhymes with please, और please से ये rhyme करता है. rhyme means होता है बच्चों जो बोलने में एक जैसा लिखे. Okay, that sound same. So क्या हो गया, जो please से rhyme करता है? Very good, cheese. So across means मैम ने बताया था ना, across means here and down this. तो 1 से हम यहाँ तक लिखेंगे. So let's write. So like this you have to do. Okay, very good. Now chapter 21. So this chapter is very easy and interesting. Fill in the blanks with the months of the year. My birthday is in, you have to write yourself. Christmas is in, we know that Christmas comes in December. Okay, my examination is in, किस मंथ में आपके एग्जामिनेशन होते हैं वो मंथ लिखो. Then dash is the shortest month. Write down. And the first month of the year, write. Okay, so do yourself, read properly, then write the correct answer. Done? Okay, very good. So students, up to chapter 21 you have to do your holiday homework in English. Okay. Okay students, so understood, from 1 to chapter 21 you have to do in your summer vacation. Okay, so I have written here also summer vacation homework, do chapter from 1 to 21. Okay, so that's all for today students. Do your work nicely and learn also. Okay, so goodbye, thank you, have a nice day.